Actually, I have to plan myself accordingly. No, that's why I'm asking. If you are continuing that, okay. I'm saying I have to plan myself accordingly. If you are going to continue, then I have to plan accordingly. So if you are saying yes, then okay, fine. I'll be. Okay, okay. So this is question number three. You send me first sheet. There is a question number three we have, right? Is question number three is this. Question is like that, like 4x squared, that is 4x squared plus 12xy plus 12xy plus 9y square. Your question is like this, right? So plus 9y square, 9y square. So what we do, we will convert it, we will write it like this. This will be 2x whole power, right? Whole power 2, 2x, uh, 2x whole square, right? Plus, and this will also be written in the form of 3y whole square, right? Now we have 2 into 2x into 3y, right? This is 2 to the 4, 3, or 4 3 is 12. So we get 12xy. 12xy is like this, right? You know, there was given us 4x squared. So 4 is perfect square of 2. So that's why I wrote here 2 and x. So 2x whole square. 2, when you solve 2x square, it becomes 4x square, right? Okay, and so this is, I convert, 9 is perfect square of 3, so I write 3 by whole square. After that, there is a formula. This is we studied the formula earlier, that a square plus b plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, right? We studied this. So I wrote it down, this whole equation, in this format: a square, this is a square, this is b square, and this is 2ab, right? So now, so we can this is a square, right? This is b square, this is plus 2ab, right? So we get an equation that is 2x, we get a plus b, a plus b whole square. It means a is 2x square, a means 2x, so I write here 2x, a is 2x, and b is 3y, right? And whole square. So this is our answer. right? I hope you understand. You know, just wait for a while. I have taken this becomes a square, right? Right? Yeah. It means, and yeah, we can write it a bracket whole square. This is b bracket whole square, right? And this is 2ab, right? And a is having 2x and b is having 3y, right? And we have an identity that a square a square plus 2ab plus b square turns to be a plus b whole square. Get it? So I converted into that. 2x, this a is 2x, and this b becomes 3y. So I write here 2x plus 3y whole square. When you multiply these two, you will get the same number, same equation again. Yeah. That is okay. Okay, great. So should we go for the next? I'm going to rub this. Now we have question number 4 with us. Question number 4, you know, that is minus 3ax square. Minus 3ax square plus 12 plus 12 axy axy minus 12ay square is equal to, is it still question? Yeah, it is ended over here. You said me that is written there equal to minus 3a. After that there is a bracket. So what should I take it? You send me the question there. You send me the question. In that, there is after equal there is written minus 3a. Is it visible? So this, minus 3a is not the part of this question. Only this is the equation which we have to take it like that. So please, you just confirm. Okay. No, I hope it is not the part. I do agree. It is the, you have to write the it is a part of solution, I hope. So what we do here, yeah, what we do here, you know, we take minus 3a as a common, right? Minus 3a we will take as a common. right? So minus 3 I take as a common. So what happens? Minus 3ax square divided by minus 3a plus 12axy divided by minus 3a and minus 12ay square divided by minus 3a, right? This is we have done. I have taken minus 3a as a common, right? So this minus minus convert turn to be plus, and this 3a is cancelled out. We get 1, right? And this, so we write here minus 3a bracket, that is x square. 1 we not write in algebra, so that's why we write only x square. 1 we will not write. Then this plus minus minus, this plus, this minus plus minus, right? So I write here minus. After that, this a is gone off, and 4 times 3 is 12. So there will be 4, right? So I'll write here minus 4xy, right? 4xy. After that, minus minus plus. So I write here plus, and this a and a is cancelled out, and 3 times 4 is 12. So this is 4 here. So we write here 4y square. Is it okay? We get it like this. So this is, now we have equation. So now we write minus 3a, right, bracket x whole square, x bracket whole square minus 2 into x into 2y plus 2y whole square, right? Because 4 is a perfect square of 2, so it becomes 2x square, 2y whole square. Yeah, I just, split the terms in this manner. This is x, this is 2y, and there is a formula. Now we use formula, right? We will use formula here, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? No, I'll not 4xy. I write it 2 into x into 2y. So 2, the whole term, when we multiply, we get the 4xy. There is no problem at all. But we write it like that so that it is understandable that we have taken, a square means x, x whole square, right? Minus, there is 2, and b we taken 2y whole square, right? So it means this belongs to a, this belongs to b. When we put here, then your answer will be then your answer, that is minus 3a bracket x minus 2y whole square. Getting? I wrote it down. This x square becomes a square. This 2x into 2y becomes 2 minus 2ab. This is minus, and plus b square minus 2y square. Sorry, plus this b square becomes 2y whole square, and this a belongs to x whole square, and b belongs to 2y whole square. Get 2y whole square. So this is b, this is a, and a minus b is whole square is equal to this. A square, we use in identity. So a, this is becomes, uh, this is going to be a square becomes x square, and we have taken it as a is having, and when we put the value and when we expand that, we get the same thing again here. No, not getting. Okay. So what I said, no. It will not, because there is a whole power to 2. Right? This is whole power 2. So square is there, so it will not multiply. This is the end. We just convert, but we are using formula here, a minus b whole square. Yeah, we can write here a square minus 2ab plus b square becomes a minus b whole square. This is identity we have, algebraic identity. So we just put here, in place of a square we write, it is given as x whole square. It is given as, and this is minus we have, then there is a 2 again. In place of a we write x, and in place of b we write 2y, plus in place of b square we write 2y square, right? Therefore a will be x and b will be minus 2y whole square. I hope you understand. So your answer is this. That is just explanation. This is your answer. Green encircled part is your answer of the question. I hope you understand. Yeah, just you just, here we are using identities. In previous question we used a plus b whole square. Here we are using a minus b whole square. Get it? This is. You have done. So we should move to the next question. Okay. So I'm going to run this. Uh, did you remember a plus b whole square is equal to a plus b into a plus b? Fine. When we multiplied it, it becomes a bracket a plus b plus b bracket a plus b. So this is a square plus ab plus ab plus b square. So we write it a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is we get, right? So our identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or we can write it a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, right? This is we get one identity of algebra, right? And the next one, next which we are using here, that is, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b, right? So when we multiply this, then we get a bracket a minus b minus b bracket a minus b, right? So now we get a square minus ab plus b square, right? So now we can write it a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So our identity is now our identity is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Or we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square, right? This is our another identity which we will use, which we are using, right? So this is we have. Now we have next question which is which you send me, that is question number 5. You send me question number 5. This is question number 5 you send me, that is minus x square minus x square minus x square plus 4x plus 4x minus 4, right? This is your equation. So what we do, we take minus 1 as a common from here. We take minus 1 as a common from here. So this minus x squared will be divided by minus 1 plus 4x divided by minus 1 and minus 4 divided by minus 1, right? Since we have taken minus 1 as a common. So this minus minus turns to be plus, this turns to be plus, this plus minus, this minus plus turns to be minus, and this minus minus turns to be plus, right? So now you get minus 1 bracket x square minus 4x plus minus minus plus, so this is plus 4. Getting this much? Okay, now what we do, we take minus 1, after that this is x square, and now I split this is 2 into x into 2 plus 2 whole square, right? This 4 is perfect square of 2, so I write it 2 whole square. And here we take 2. So this belongs to, now we use this identity. So this x belongs to a whole square and minus 2 a b plus 2 belongs to b whole square. 2 square belongs to b square. Now we have identity for this is a minus b whole square. So you will get it in format x, because a is x. So now it becomes x minus 2 whole square. So your whole equation turns to be minus 1 bracket x minus 2 whole square. Is it visible to you? Our answer is minus 1 x minus 2 bracket x minus 2 whole square is our answer. No, because they are having squares. X minus 2 whole square is there. When there is whole square, then we can't do that, right? Yeah, I understand. You was thinking that okay, this minus 1 should be multiplied with the following. What I am doing? I am splitting the terms more, that to explain in a better way. If you ask me to solve this question, I can solve in a fraction of second in one line. I won't split like that, but I want to explain you. So I'm doing, I'm splitting each and everything for better understanding. If if you understand the identity, right? If you understand the identity, if I say, so what I do, I won't write this. I won't write this. You know, this is the question minus, this is question is minus x squared plus 4x minus 4. Right? This is the question you have. What I do, I take minus 1 as a common. I take minus 1 as a common, and then I write x squared minus 4x plus 4. Right? And as I know, minus 1 bracket x squared minus, yeah, you know, no, no, no. We will not plus, because we have taken minus 1 common. So this minus turns to be plus, this plus turns to be minus, this minus turns to be plus, because we have taken minus 1 outside as a common. Right? Yeah, yeah. And then I split it the middle term. We can write it x into 2 plus 4 means 2 whole square. Whole square of 2. Right? I write it like this. I write it like this, and after that, I know that a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b. So I write it minus 1 bracket x minus 2 whole square, because x belongs to a and 2 belongs to b. So in place, there will be a minus b whole square. So I write a in place of a, I write x. In place of b, I write 2. So x minus 2 whole square. Things are over. Right. So to make it better explanation, I will do this. You divide this, how to take common, how to convert, like that. Otherwise, these 4 steps are sufficient to solve the question. Not 4. This is the question. Only 3 parts. Three I did, and things are over. I hope you understand this. Okay. So you send me the next. And the question number 9. Should I run? Should I run? Okay. This is question number 9. We have question number 9. We have question number 9. You know, we have x minus y whole square minus 6a bracket x minus y. It's great. And plus 9a square. Fine. We have the question x minus y whole square minus 6a, right? X into x minus y plus 9a square. So what I do, anyway, if I consider it, let x minus y is equal to m. We given it a variable m, right? So now we write m square minus 6am plus, this 9 is perfect square of 3, so we can write it 3a whole square, right? Right. Now what we do, this is m whole square minus 2 into m into 3a plus 3a square, 3a whole square. So again I use the identity that a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square, right? So here a is m and b is 3. So your answer will be m minus 3a whole square. Now as m is equal to x minus 1, sorry, x minus y, as we have taken here, right? So now we put the value again back to the equation. So we'll write it x minus y minus 3a whole square. Getting? This is your solution. Actually, now you understand the concept, so it seems to be easy. Otherwise, things are same. What I did in first question and what I did in this question, things are same. Yeah. Should I rub this? Okay. Now we have question number 10 with us. Right? We have question number 10. That is again in the same manner, that is given you x plus 2y whole square, right? Minus 2z bracket x plus 2y plus z square plus z square, right? You get it. This is the question we have. Now again, if I take x plus 2y, let x plus 2y is, say, this time we take a, yeah, definitely we can take a. So this is a. So now we can write it a square minus 2z a plus z square, right? Or if I write a whole square minus 2 a into z plus z square. So again we use the identity a square. We use the identity, you know, x square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to x minus y whole square. Right? So now here x belongs to a and y belongs to z. So your answer will your value will be now a minus z whole square. Now as we written here, a is equal to x plus 2y. Now the put the value here. A's value is x plus 2y. So now we can write x plus 2y minus z whole square. This is our solution. Yeah. Shall we come to next? Done? Shall we come to next? Okay. Okay. I'm going to run this. Now we have question number 11 with us. No, you send me in the third sheet. There is question number 5. Third sheet which you send me, that is having question number 5, right? And that question number 5 is a square, a square minus 6a bracket 2b minus c minus 3c 3c, right? Plus 9 bracket 2b minus 3c whole square. This is the question now. So now we should take this time, you know, let 2b minus 3c is equal to n, right? We get this. Okay. So now we put the value and we get a square minus 6a, and in place of 2b minus 3c we will write n plus 9, and in place of 2b minus 3c we will write n square. 2b minus 3c whole square means n square now, right? So now again we can do it like this, that this is a whole square minus 2 into a multiplied 3n plus 9 9n square means 3n whole square, right? This we get. Now we have identity a square minus b square, sorry, we write minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. So here is, you know, a is a, there is no problem, but b is n, b is n. So we can write, so we can write a whole power whole square minus 2a bracket 3n plus 3n square, 3n whole square becomes a minus n whole square, right? Now giving back value of n here, so it becomes a bracket minus, that is bracket 2b minus 3c, yeah, I should take here large bracket whole square. So we can write it a minus 2b plus 3c whole square. Get it? This is we get. This is your final. This is your final answer. Since outside, yeah, since outside bracket there is a minus. So when we open the bracket, then inside sign will be changed. So that's why it is a minus 2b minus minus plus, so it becomes plus 3c whole square. Yeah. And b, multiply, yeah, you can say that it is one we take and multiply. Otherwise, we just open the bracket. I just open the bracket and sign is changed. Yeah. Okay. So you done this? Okay. Should I done? Okay. Now the fourth sheet which you sent me, the last one, there is question number 4, right? This is question number 4 we have. There is question number 4, that is x minus, pretty good, x minus y whole square minus a minus b whole square. Okay? So now we expand, you know, we expand by the formula. We know that there is an identity, that if I write identity, that is a minus b, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? This is the identity we have. So in this manner we expand all this. So we get here, you know, x square minus 2xy plus y square, right? Minus, this is a square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? This is, now when we remove the brackets, then it becomes x square minus 2xy plus y square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. Getting? So this is the expansion of the given equation. Is this? We can't do further anything in this, right? Otherwise, we can write it like this also. If we want x square plus y square minus a square minus b square minus 2xy plus 2ab. Getting? We can write it like this. This is the final. Nothing can be done. Yeah, this is the answer. We can't do anything in this because all the algebraic terms are different. So no mathematical operation is possible among them. Plus y square, yeah, it's minus a square minus b square. Using this identity, I told you. This identity I used and I expand. After expansion, I just arrange the numbers. Nothing more than that. This is, just when we remove the bracket, so this is our final answer, what we have. This is our final answer, man. Rearrange, just, x square, always, this is a square is having a sign which is written in front of it. Since here is minus a square, in front of a square is minus, so I write here a is minus in front of a square. Here in front of b square is minus, so I write minus b square. Here in front of minus, in front of 2x square is minus, so I write here minus 2. Sorry, in front of 2xy there is minus, so I write here minus 2xy, and here plus in front of 2ab, so I write 2ab. Always the sign of the number is sign in front of the number. Whatever sign is in front of the number, that belongs to the number. The sign belongs to the number, right? So that's it. So should I rub this? Okay. So now we have one more question with us. So I'm going to rub. Now the next question you send me, that is question number 5th of your sheet 4. That is 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 whole square minus x plus 3 whole square. Getting? We get this. Now, here we use identity. We will use identity that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? This is. Now we expand this. Now when we expand it, so this becomes 3x 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 2 plus 2 whole square minus we have, I will put in braces, so it is in braces, minus, and again I take, this is x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 whole square. Right? This is. Now what we do, we can write it like this. This 3x square becomes 9x square. 3x whole square becomes 9x square plus 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. So it becomes 12. So it is 12x plus 4. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. Now we have minus. So braces. Now it becomes x square plus 2 times 3 is 6. So it becomes 6x. Right? And plus this 3 square is 9. So we write here 9. Right? Now again we open the brackets. Then it becomes 9x square plus 12x plus 4 minus, when we open the bracket then sign will be changed. So it becomes x square minus 6x minus 9. Right? Yeah. Now here what we do, now we arrange numbers like 9x square and there is minus x square. So we write close to each other, minus x square. Right? Then I take plus 12x and we have minus 6x. So 12x minus 6x. Right? Now we have plus 4 minus 9. So we take minus 9 here. Right? So what happens? Now we get 9x square minus x square becomes 8x. Yeah, very nice. 8x square, and here plus 12x minus 6x becomes plus 6x plus 6x, because 12 is having greater numerical value and having positive sign, so we take sign of plus, but plus minus minus, so operation will be of minus. And similarly here plus minus minus, so operation will be of minus, and since 9 is having greater numerical value and having negative sign, so we will take sign of minus, and 9 minus 4 is 5. Right? So this is, so our final answer is you know, our answer will be 8x square plus 6x minus 5. Right? This is our answer. Since here algebraic terms are same, like 9x, x square, x, they are like terms. So we can solve them further. And there no like terms, so we can't solve them. So I hope all the questions which you sent me for today I have done. We have done. Yeah, yeah. You told me. Should I cut this? Okay. Just wait for a while. You are saying x power of 8 minus 1. Okay. So what we do, you know, we can write it like this: x x raised to the power 8 minus y raised to the power 8. Because if we give power to 1, there is no value. 1 multiplied 8 times, we get the same value 1. So that's why we write x raised to the power 8 minus 1 raised to the power 8. If now we write x raised to the power 4 whole power 2 minus 1 raised to the power 4 whole power 2. Right? Now, here identity is changed. Here we will use identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Get it? Here we will use this identity. So this will be x raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 1 raised to the power 4 bracket x raised to the power 4 plus 1 raised to the power 4. Right? Now we can't do anything with this, but this can be further splitted. We can write it like this. We can write it like this, that you know x square whole power 2, right? When we multiply it, we get the same, minus 1 raised to the power 2 whole power 2 bracket x raised to the power 4 plus 1 raised to the power 4 is 1. So I write now 1 here for this, because it is not going to be further. Right? So now again we apply the same formula. So now we write x square minus 1 square, and we write x square plus 1 square bracket x raised to the power 4 plus 1. Right? This I copied. This is expansion. Again this can be expanded. X square minus 1 square, a square minus b square. So a plus b and a minus b. So it can be further expanded, and we can write it x minus 1 bracket x plus 1 bracket x square plus 1. Again 1 square is 1 bracket x raised to the power 4 plus 1. So this is your answer. I hope you understand. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Would you like to ask anything more? Hello. Hello. You're with me? Hello. You're with me? Yeah. 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 You want? Oh, okay. Now nothing for today more. Things are over. Not tomorrow. We'll do that again. Okay then. Okay then. After tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. I tell you. I'm sending you the number after each class. So anyway, we should call off today. Thank you. Bye. Bye.